Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Windows 10 is updated and you're signed into your Microsoft account, because OneDrive ties directly to that identity. Open the OneDrive icon in the system tray and choose Sign In, then pick the local folder location so files have a home on your PC. When prompted, select which folders to sync and turn on Files on Demand if you want to save local storage, all of which sets the sync baseline before files start transferring. Once OneDrive is running, you'll manage how and what it syncs. Right-click the OneDrive icon and open Settings to pause or resume sync and to set upload and download limits, which prevents bandwidth spikes. Use Choose Folders to control selective sync so only needed folders mirror locally. Also enable PC folder backup for desktop, documents, and pictures so key files autosave to OneDrive. This protects work and keeps cloud copies current while saving you manual uploads. To finish, verify that the status icons show sync completion and spot check files both locally and on OneDrive Online to confirm accuracy. If a file was changed or deleted, use version history or the recycle bin on the web to recover it quickly. If sync stalls, restart the OneDrive app, confirm you're signed into the correct Microsoft account, and run the built-in repair from settings. These steps fix most problems and restore normal syncing without losing data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.